Today we welcome a new member to the Akatsuki.
Itachi Uchiha.
Orochimaru, try all the jutsu you wish, but my eyes can see through all of them. I'm not sure what to do with you. Whether to kill you right now or find a way to use you.
Everybody stop!
Who's that?
So soon.
Those eyes. Could it be? I know you. Itachi Uchiha. Itachi Uchiha.
Now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah. Drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape.
You tease me and you touch me, I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing, so tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool, feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you, feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us.
Yeah, tell me lies like you mind